Hello students, today we will be going over worksheet 5, parallel lines and angles. Given these various angle measures right over here, hopefully you can see all of those okay. Match each statement with the proper term listed on the right. Each answer may be used more than once. Okay, number 1, angle A and angle B. So this is another way to do an angle sign, just so you're aware of different types, because I don't know what all types you're going to see on the computer. So angle A and B. A is 35, B is 55. So if I go 35 plus 55, you do that on the computer, and that's 90 degrees, which would be, it makes a corner. So if it makes 90 degrees, makes a corner, it's going to be complementary A. So we match that up, it's A. Number 2, angle A and angle C are, A is 35, C is 125. If I go 125 and 35, that equals 160, which is basically nothing. So we put E. There's no relationship there. Since we don't have a drawing, we don't know if they're vertical. Well, they couldn't be vertical because they're not congruent, so it's E. Now I'm going to jump down here to 5, angle B and angle D. Angle B is 55, and angle D is 135. If I add those two together, I get 190, and that is also nothing. Remember, they have to add together to be 180 to be supplementary, 90 to be complementary. Congruent means they're the same measure. Vertical means that they would be the same measure and they are like that. But since we don't have any drawings, we don't even probably going to use vertical. Anyway, number 6, angle C and E. C is 125, E is 125. So I can say B, they are congruent. Okay. I'll let you do 3 and 4, and I'm going to jump down here to number 8. For questions 7 through 17, use the figure to the right. Let's see if we can put this figure in here. And then I'll probably have to move it around a little bit, okay? So if measure of angle 3 is 125, angle 6, so angle 3 is 125 right here. What is angle 6 going to measure? Okay, so if these are parallel lines, we know this one, if I slide it down, it's going to be the exact same 125 here. Now we know this straight line is going to make 180 degrees, so we can go 180 minus 125, I think that's going to be 55. Okay, so we could say angle 6 will be 55 degrees. And then we can say, how are the two related? If one's 125 and one's 55, it's going to be supplementary. Okay. All right. Now it says if angle 7 is 100 degrees. So again, we can erase these. Angle 7 is 100 degrees. What is angle 2, I believe is what they're asking on number 13. So measure of angle 7 is 100. I can say I can use this as like a zip line. I zip it up there in the same spot. I know that 3 is 100 degrees. So to make a straight line, number 2 has to be 80 degrees, or angle 2. So then back to here, I can say angle 2 is 80 degrees. And those two are going to be supplementary. I'm just going to write it sup for supplementary. Okay. All right, I'll let you finish that section on your own. We're going to go ahead and jump to number 16 and do one of the harder problems. If angle 2 is 4x plus 10 and angle 8 is 6x minus 20, angle 2 and 8 are called what? Okay, so right here, angle 2 and angle 8 are called, this is this one, and this is not what we said they were. So I need to get rid of all these so we don't mistake them. So 2 and 8, they're going to be opposite exterior angles. Okay? Or alternate exterior angle, I guess, is the better way to put it. So I write that they are alternate because they're on alternate sides of the line. And they're on the outside, so they're exterior. And I'm going to make the angle sign like that. So these are alternate exterior. These will be alternate exterior. These would be alternate interior, alternate interior, same side interior, same side exterior. So I'm just telling you all the different ways to name this. Again, all of these are going to be considered interior angles. These 4 out here would be exterior angles. Okay. And alternate exterior angles, are they, and they are congruent or supplementary? Okay. They are going to be congruent. So go ahead and circle congruent. Find x. So if they're congruent, I just set them equal to each other. So we say that 4x plus 10 equals 6x minus 20. Okay, now I'm going to go minus 6x here, minus 6x here. So then we get negative 2x plus 10. Can you guys see that okay? Equals negative 20. And I minus 10. So now negative 2x equals negative 30. Divide by negative 2. X equals negative 15. Oh, nope, that's positive 15, my bad. Watch your signs there. So x is 15. Find the measure of angle 2. So I go 4 times 15, I believe, is 60. And then I add 10. It's going to be 70 degrees. And if they're congruent, I don't even need to put my numbers in there, but I could for checking purposes. 15 times 6, 15 times 6, I believe, is 90. And 90 minus 20 is going to be 70. So that is 70 degrees as well there. Okay. So I'll let you finish the rest. You can do it, students. You rock.